Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna share the DIY face scrub and face mask, that is two in one in just a one DIY. I'm taking 1 tablespoon of rice flour with raw milk. The what you tell in Hindi कच्चा दूध बोलते हैं इसको. That is 2 tablespoon I'm taking to make it a runny creamy paste like texture. Mixing it gradually, it will get this very beautiful paste. Next, I'm gonna apply this on my face, and I actually applied it already, but I forgot to record that, so I'm applying again and leaving for 5 to 10 minutes. Then then I usually do my scrubbing with this. This has helped me with my tanning, pigmentation, dark spots, and everything. And it is as the rice flour texture is little bit big. It's not that fine like a maida. It is okay, and it is not too harsh like a walnut, what we get in market, that walnut scrub. So it is like a mild exfoliation. So I have done. After that, I have washed my face with face wash too, and as you can see that glow, I just love this glow, and it has made my skin very soft. You can see that shiny glowy skin. I just love that. Next, I am moving on to my night skincare routine, and this is what my favorite chamomile toner. I just love spraying on my feet. It just give a freshness with glowy, dewy look. Next, I am moving on to when the it's just a bit dry and little damp. Then I'm applying my serum, niacinamide serum. This has also helped me with my oily skin, not oily skin, but combination skin, or T zone, like near my nose and everything, cheek, chin. I get very oily, so it has helped me controlling that too, and giving a even look, and made my skin even tone. Before I used to have a forehead also. That next, I have applied my face gel. It has also helped me with the moisturization, and now you can see that plumpy